wanted to actually show you. It's the cutest way of announcing the birth of the newborn or something. And they've sent some sweet in this and some chocolates in this. Oops! And I broke that. Like, I literally broke that. It's like the bottle. It's the milk bottle and the nip here that I actually broke. And these things are like edible. Like, you can eat this. Like, they are legit. Like, edible. I'm saying eligible. Kill you. No, don't kill me. Like, we are standing like right in front of the light. And आज क्या दिन है? 19th of April. And हम काफी time बाद मिल रहे हैं. That's because of her. Sorry. I was busy. She was busy. Well, she was busy. Well, how am I supposed to hold this camera? Hello everybody, and it's May, like almost May, as 30 April hai, and I thought, oh my god, बंद नहीं हो रहा है क्या डिक्की? But then does it have key in it? चाबी है अंदर घर की? हाँ. Then what's going on? I am heading to college right now, and because I need to get my hall pass for the exams. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have Surbhi right here who looks like Dakurani Hunter Wali. So yeah, I'm gonna look like her because I haven't like worn anything right now. But मैं भी उसके जैसे दिखूंगी. But more of neutral colors. Like white. I have my sun coat and everything in nudes and neutrals. So yeah. Anyways, I will take you guys around my college today, probably for the last time. Maybe not. Yeah, let's go. Waiting for the lift. I hope कोई teacher नहीं है. But then this opens up right exactly in front of the HOD ma'am's cabin. आज ही खुलने की. Great day, wow. Sure. Let's go to the second floor and shut the door off. This lift, I hope it doesn't get stuck anywhere because ऐसे पहले हुआ है कि somebody got stuck inside the lift and fan भी नहीं चल रहा है. Wow, the fan doesn't work. So here I am. Oh, it's working. Okay. पीले पानी पीले प्यासी सुरभि मेरे को भी पिला दे थोड़ा सा. I got my compass. Yes. So that is Surbhi and we are inside the lift. I hope we're done. Actually, hold this for me. Yeah, we're done. We're done with the I got the pass, and of course I got my compass. I was searching for this for a month now, and college में रह गया था ये. And they knew this because there are photos था इसके अंदर. See, they have my photo inside. That's how they knew करके मेरा compass है ये. बस उधर ही रहा. My God, इसलिए मैं बोली दिख नहीं रही है. लोगों अकेले पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, मेरे को अकेले छोड़ दिया तुमने. This is not fair. क्या काला वीडियो ले लिया. So again, Surbhi is here. Hello. And here I am. This is the pre-exam के पहले का group study session with this girl here, and actually I wasn't expecting कि प्राप्ति भी आएगी, but I was like कल वो आई थी घर पे, and she said why didn't you call us up, like call her up, and we were like ठीक है जिसको कॉल करके देखते. We had like हम लोग को पता था करके she wouldn't be coming because के घर पे शादी है, तो I was 101% sure कि वो नहीं आने वाली है, but I was like okay, let's just give her a call, and we did, and she said she's coming to my place. Like I wasn't expecting she was gonna be coming, but well, yeah. So it's gonna be a blast, and yeah, I will keep you guys updated with everything. Yeah, it's 12 noon, 1st of May. Yeah. Prapti is here, and Surbhi is here, and I'm here. और हमारा धमनाल होने वाला है. Surbhi smells good. Prapti, let me sniff you.
Yeah, I smell good only.
Yeah, she smells good.
देखो गौर से देखो, गेम खेल रही है वो औरत.
औरत
एग्जाम के
में गेम खेल रही है और हम यहाँ मर मर के पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। हमने पेपर हैक कर लिया है, क्या बोलते हैं, लीक कर लिया है। ओ माय गॉड, नो आई एम किडिंग, ओके। मेरे पीछे पुलिस मत भेजना। एंड दिस इज द टेक्स्ट बुक दैट आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम दिस द टेक्स्ट बुक बाय डैनियल एंड एमा। एंड इट फील्स लाइक हम लोग पूरा हैरी पॉटर ही पढ़ रहे हैं अभी। वाओ वाओ वाओ। ओके, लेट्स स्टडी। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज है 4th May and my mom is home finally and she bought an extra package with her. My brother too, he's home too, and my sister got me some stuff from Mumbai, so a haul would be expected, I guess. Yeah, maybe not, I don't know. So what is up with you guys? Like my exam is on 8th and it's hardly like 4 days, like not even 4 days, like 3 days, and oh my god, I think I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die with a heart attack. Hello there. So yeah, we are heading out. उसको आर्ची से कुछ तो भी लेना है. Although I'm not sure if we may or we will be getting that thing or not. Archie's is kind of like a fancy stationery store. I fumble when I say. She's having a lot to vlog over there. Yes, I have. Check out the clouds. They look so pretty, but then you cannot. I don't know if you can make it out or not. Okay, let's. Now check out the clouds. Like still, you cannot make out the clouds. The clouds look so pretty. Okay, now you can see it. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's go. मैं तेरे ऊपर ब्लॉग करने वाली हूँ. मेरे पे ब्लॉग बनाएगी तू? वाह, मेरी फॉरेनर दोस्त. So we are here at Archie's and you can see fancy stuff inside. All right, let's go inside. Yes.
बोल रही कि 11,000 सितंबर के थोड़ा पसर हटा रही है, ये ऐसे थोड़ा हटा, और 15 नहीं चुका है, हटाइए थोड़ा, इधर बैग में डालने हैं तो पसर.
Action. Hello guys, I'm finally done with my wedding shopping and today I got some jewelry, so I'm gonna show you. I got this bracelet. It looks pretty. Thank so you. Good. Oh my god. This ring. This is always matching on my dress. Yes, I recommended her to get this one. We had like 2 options, but हम लोगों ने ये वाली select की. And it's like quite versatile ring, जो सबके साथ जाएगी. Like any outfit and all outfit. The lights look so pretty. Oh my god. And yeah, this one we got twin rings. Belongs, yeah, to both of us. So you got twin rings, one for her and one for my. Oh my god, you couldn't break it. It's mega. Like, it's not that expensive. These ones were like 65 only. Wear it. Let me wear one too. Oh no, we are not engaged. Okay, now we are twin souls. So there we have it. I love it. Okay, let me just. Now you can see it clearly. It looks so good, and even this ring. Oh my god, there we go. It looks so pretty. But these jewelry were like, these were like expensive ones because these are the wedding kind of jewelry. So ये expensive, budget थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, out of budget for me but not for her because उसकी दी की शादी है. Yeah, so she has to shop for that thing there. It looks so pretty. There we go. This is my outfit. Outfit. Okay, let's just. All right, that looks so good. Princess, pura princess is pen. Look whatever. Yeah, it's semi-traditional evening gown. Semi-traditional evening gown. She got a gown. I should have gotten a gown too for my sister's wedding. I was gonna say my wedding. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, we cannot wait to see that thing on your self. Done. And the other outfit also. Oh, we will see that outfit right on the wedding, but show us the other outfit that we may not be able to see. जो reception में जो पहनेगी तू.
Because the picture is from
We like she has the wedding on the 15th. I have my next like paper. My paper is on 13th and 18th, and the wedding is exactly in the middle on 15th. So from her side शादी होने वाली है, and from Jiju's side reception होने वाला है. तो शादी में जो outfit है, that's the gown that you guys just saw, and oh my god, so hot. And एक blue outfit है that she got, like it's so pretty. Like I love the outfit. Like I'm gonna borrow it from her and wear it if maybe मेरे को हो वो, I would wear that. That she's gonna wear in her reception thing that I will not be attending because it's not in my city. So alright, let me show you the
picture is not that good.
Okay, but okay, let's just show you. Okay, that's the dress. I don't know if you can like color justice. Light बहुत ज़्यादा है, so probably you, I don't know. Yeah, that's the outfit, and it looks so good. The outfit looks good. I love this, especially the blue. I feel like I'm attracted to this dress because of the blue color. This is my favorite color, guys. This color. Can you see the color? It looks good. Yeah, looks good.
तुझे चलना पड़ेगा reception पे.
So are you well prepped now, Prapti?
Yeah. Finally. Now I have to prepare for my exams because मुझे fail नहीं होना है.
Yes, we have a paper from 8. What's today? 5th. Fifth में है आज, and oh my god, this clip itself is a 5-minute clip. I wonder how long this video will be.
22 minutes. क्योंकि तू entrance पे अपना time पूरा waste करने वाली है.
Yes, the entrance to the reception is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay.
Hello, as usual, I am here at Aditi's place.
And how was the paper? The main thing. आज paper था हमारा first paper.
Don't
कैसा?
spoil my mood.
But mine went actually good for a change, and a lot of you guys wished me on Instagram. So thank you so much for all your best wishes.
Just okay because एक तो मेरे घर पे wedding है, मेरी band बजी हुई है. So I hope pass तो हो ही जाऊंगी, but still
We hope for the best for you.
Thank you. How much money on this footwear and you got it just for 600?
1600, baby, not
1600. I hate you. I seriously hate you.
She never ends up getting a good pair, and even though she gets a good pair, but then they are not this cheap.
I hate you for this. I hate you for this.
Oh my
मुझे कभी नहीं मिलता यार, इसे पता नहीं कहाँ से मिल जाता है. ये पता नहीं कि अलादीन के चिराग में से लाती है सब.
Oh my god, that's called Jabong. The Aladdin ka chirag is Jabong. I got it from, these shoes are from Jabong.
Great. Next time मेरे लिए order कर देना.
Alright, let's go outside. Oh my god. Okay, let's just shut this off. So there's my mom there, and meet my nani. Say hi, nani.
Hi.
And there is Gunda. Mom, do you know the English word for Gunda? Because we are making pickle out of this. Then we have a lot of there. Wow. And ka ras. You guys, I just got in my parcel finally from 20 Dresses. I'm so excited. By the way, I'm here somewhere, and there's a Charka bottle here. Well, let me open this up. Oh, I'm excited. So she says, thank you for the purchase, and since I've purchased in quite some amount, she sent me I think it's a bracelet. What am I saying? I think it's a bracelet. No, I haven't opened it up, but again, I'm not going to show you guys everything right now because you won't see my haul then. Wait for my haul, and I'm not gonna raise this hand of mine because I have already on something on that hand, and oh my god, sorry for the background noise because my brother is playing the game. So yeah, make sure you look forward to the haul, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna speak to you guys soon. So I'm getting my hair oiled by none other than my nani there, and yes, the hair massage. You should come to my place, you know, sometime. So my nanny here made some khaman dokla, woo! And also my mom, of course, her too, and minus the tadka, so ab hum tadka denge, and my mouth is watering. Okay, I'm gonna speak later. So I'm done with my eye makeup, and this is what it looks like. Because the dress is green, so I didn't know what to actually do. So this is what I ended up doing, and yeah. So you guys, I'm ready, and this is my complete outfit, and here's something I have in my hand. The ring and the bracelet, and there is me. Let me flip the cam so you guys can see me better. So here's the complete look. I don't know if you can, like, if the color is doing the justice, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I am super late. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna switch to my dad's cam because his cam is like super fab. So yeah, okay, let's go. So this is the Sikchi resort that we are talking about, and it's so crowded, like, there you go.
मैंने वही बोला.
Okay, so this is the entrance of. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Her dad is politician, so everybody is dressed in white apparently. That's so funny. Like, okay. There's so many people, oh my god. Let me zoom in for you. That's the stage that we need to reach, crossing these many people there. Oh my god. Meet Prapti. Prapti, say hi. I love your outfit. We are heading home and I'll see you guys. Bye bye. Oh my god, I love the purple color. It looks so pretty, and the neon flowers, they look awesome. Awesome. Hello to you guys. It's the next day. आज like next day to the wedding. आज है, I don't know, it's 16th, 17, 18, yes, it's 16th of May today, and the wedding was actually really good. She had the most beautiful gown, and the bride was looking awesome, and so bolo cho. Cold coffee, yes, I want to drink some cold coffee, so let's go. The food was okay, and what was I saying? I was saying something. The photographer was cute. I did get to talk to him. He was cute, Sagar. Yeah, we just got back home, and I was still hungry, so we ordered in some pizza, and that is pretty much it.
फिर बाद में वो खोल दिया कभी दरवाजा तो भाग जाता बाहर. देख, डॉली नाम है मेरा.
Dolly ki Dolly. Occasional temple visit. Me doing. I have my paper tomorrow, so yeah, I'm here visiting temple. I hope I get passed tomorrow. Okay, so we are done. and I asked Lord to make me pass in all my papers, and of course I asked for you guys too, that you be blessed and loved more and support me more, and yeah, all the positive vibe to you guys. Oh, the cake looks so good. Okay, check this one out. Full of roses. Wow. And then this one, it's all strawberry and cherries. And I don't know what they are. I wish they could be marshmallows, but I love. Oh, it has like cute elephants on it. Wow. Okay, this surely would make you hungry right now. The Indian sweets. तो आज बहुत कलरफुल लागे छे. Looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so for those of you who are actually wondering why I have these kind of hair, it is because of her. Okay, let's take a look. That's my nani there, and check out her hair length. It goes up till her hips and below her hips and till her knees. That's insane, you guys. Even my mom have that kind of long hair, and that is why I have long hair. Okay, you guys, I am done with my paper. It's 18th today, and this is it for the daily talks for the month of May. Again, the second half mein itna kuch nahi hoga, so leave me a comment if you want to see the second half of it, because abhi next half mein I don't know kuch hoga ki nahi. So that is pretty much it. Aaj ka paper was really good, and yeah, that is for the updates right now. So I'm gonna go have my lunch, and I will see you guys later. Bye.